Hey guys, Wire here. I thought I'd do this. I know I promised you that we'd be doing this workbench this week, but I was sick all week. I had the flu, and I tell you, man, getting the flu in the summertime, I think is really worse than getting it in the wintertime. Today's probably the first day I really felt halfway decent. Plus, it rained all week. Today's the first. It stopped raining early this morning, and I didn't have a chance to get out to get any wood, so I'm probably going to put that off till next week. I'm still kind of contemplating how I want to do this. I don't know if I want to just build a whole new bench or just fix this one up. So let me think about it a little bit more, but we will do a video on me either building a new bench or reinforcing this one. Anyway, guys, I got this Schrade knife at the flea market. I paid $5 for it. It's in pretty rough shape. It's got a lot of staining. There's some nicks in the blade. Let me, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see the nicks in the blade or not, but it's pretty beat up. So what we're going to have to do is kind of like reform this blade and sharpen it up, get this all cleaned up, get the handle cleaned up. It's pretty tight, the leather's pretty tight, so I think we'll be okay with that. Let's zoom in here a little bit more so you can see this. The sheath is kind of beat up a little bit. I've got some saddle soap that we're going to clean this up. It looks like a painter used this because it's got a lot of paint on it. So let's start this. I don't know where I'm going to start on this. Maybe we'll start by cleaning up this handle, and we'll see what we got to do to get this looking halfway decent. So let me set something up, and we'll start this out. Okay, polished the butt end up real good with the fiber wheel. I had to use a soda can to keep it from hitting the leather, but that turned out pretty good. So let's see what the fiber wheel does on the blade. Okay, the fiber wheel worked real well on this. We'll fine tune it. We still got to clean all this up. If you can see where the dings are in the blade now, we got to file all that out. The blade isn't even, so we'll have to see how we're going to get those out. I may have to wind up grinding this down just to get it all even, but we'll see. We'll take it a little bit at a time. Okay, we got it pretty polished. We're not done yet. We're about midway. This is all polished. The brass is all polished here. The butt is pretty good. I'm not going to give a final polish until I get the handle straightened out, as far as getting that cleaned up. And we'll go from there, and then we'll work on the sheath. So what I want to do now is try to get this blade all even. And so I'm probably going to put that on a grinder or something. Let me think about it and see how I can get it all even without damaging the blade. So we'll be right back. Coming out a little bit. The real bad nick is right here. Just a little bit more and I think we got it. I think we got most of it. We got this little one out. There's still a little bit here, but we'll put this on the belt sander and see if we can knock some of that out, polish this up a little bit more, and then we'll go to the handle. Okay, I pretty much all polished everything, got the blade looking halfway decent. We still got to put a decent edge on it. It's a little sharp, but I didn't sharpen it all the way because I still got to work on the handle. I'm going to try a little bit of denatured alcohol, see if we can get some of this crap off of here. And maybe use saddle soap on it. Yeah, I think whoever used this was a painter of some sort, because it really is, the handle is nice and tight, it's just it's got paint all over it. Let that soak in a little bit. Let's try it on the sheet. Maybe we can get some of this dirt off of here. There's paint all over everything on this thing. Try some mineral spirits. Yeah, you can see all the paint on this. Let's pull this out of here. Yeah, you can tell its paint is loosening it up a little bit because it's light, it's sticky. Alright, let me get some paint thinner. Look at that. Let me get some paint thinner, we'll be right back. Alright. Got some paint thinner. We'll try some paint thinner on this. Let that sit for a little bit. I also have lighter fluid. Sometimes lighter fluid will work too. I don't like putting all this harsh stuff on the leather. Okay, let me work on this, see if I can get this stuff off. I'll be right back. Okay, I got all the paint off. I used acetone, I used everything. Believe it or not, the fiber wheel got a lot of that off. And this is supposed to be brown. So what I want to do is wash these with some saddle soap, get all the dirt off of it, let it dry out, condition. If the color doesn't even add, I might dye it a different color, maybe black. I have black dye, so we'll see. Okay guys, we're all done. Polished the handle, we got that nice and clean. Cleaned it all up with saddle soap, cleaned this up with saddle soap. I didn't like the color of this, so I dyed it black. I kind of like black cheese anyway. Polished up with black polish and minkled it. It's nice and soft now. This came out pretty good. I didn't want to take this blade down too much, but I did get rid of all the dings. So that's all going. Let's see how she cuts. Probably still have to put a little bit better blade on it. So it's okay. It works. It's sharp enough for me. Good enough for government work. Anyway, it turned out pretty good. This is a Schrade Walden, made in New York, USA, model number 148. This really is a nice knife. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. And like I said, it turned out really nice. I do collect knives. Here's one that I have. This is one of many that I have. Nice army knife. That's what I take when I go out in the woods. This came with a Lansky sharpener. But I will work on this other blade. It's not real sharp, but it's sharp enough. Nope, not sharp enough to shave. And I don't shave with my knives anyway. Anyway, turned out real nice. I'm pretty satisfied with. This is the first knife I've restored. You know, hopefully I can get a little better at it, but I think it turned out pretty nice, a lot better than what it was. And like I said, I will work on the blade a little bit more. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys the next time. This is why. See ya.